If you're looking for a new toilet, the Home Depot carries a wide range of models from which to choose. When shopping, here are the things you must consider: rough in size, bowl shape, toilet height, and toilet design. To ensure your new floor mount toilet fits your space, measure from the wall behind the toilet straight out to the floor bolts that attach the toilet to the floor. Don't measure from the baseboard. This is the rough in size. The most common rough in is 12 inches. To ensure your wall-hung toilet fits your space, determine the depth of the wall studs which will hold the in-wall water tank. These tanks come in sizes that coordinate with 2x6 or 2x4 studs. You will need to choose a tank that matches. For bowl shape, you have two options. Elongated bowls are longer and sort of egg-shaped. Most people find these a bit more comfortable. Round bowls are smaller and take up less space, so they're ideal for smaller bathrooms. Then there's toilet seat height. Standard toilets are 14 or 15 inches high, but 16 or 17-inch models are popular with people who are tall or have mobility issues. Finally, there's design. Two-piece models where the tank and bowl are separate are by far the most common and are generally more economical. One-piece models are seamless. They usually cost a bit more, can be easier to clean, and create a sleek look. Wall-mounted units don't touch the floor, so they require a drain in the wall and a thicker wall to support the weight. These usually cost more to purchase and install. To save money, consider a water-saving model, since toilets can account for nearly 30% of an average home's indoor water consumption. New flushing technology enables water conservation without sacrificing flush performance. For more detailed information on this and many other popular projects, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.